Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a clickable hyperlink to an image in Canva. Whether we are creating presentations, PDFs, or digital content, this simple trick can make our designs even better. Now let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we first insert an image. We just need to click on Uploads and then place an image here. Once we have an image, all we need to do is click the image and then select the three dots. Here, we just click Link. In this field, we will add the link for our image. For example, we can use this link and then we press Done. We will see a confirmation that the link has been added. We just need to press Done again. Now, if we click the image, we will be redirected to the website. And that's how we add a hyperlink to an image on Canva. It's super easy. Now our designs can be more interactive and professional.